Damn, guys, this is dirty. This is dirty. If you got sneakers like this is dirty. But I'm going to show you guys today how to clean this and make it look brand new. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're having a great time out there. Today we're going to look at how we clean these actual Air Force Ones. And this is the bro who basically sent it to me and said to me, can you clean these sneakers because they are dirty? Look at the dirt on that. They are grimy. Look at the grime inside of that. They are absolutely cooked because the outsole looks absolutely horrendous. But today we're going to look at how we go and clean a pair of sneakers to look at brand spanking new, and basically, like, guys, even taking the creases out. Let's attempt to do that today and basically bring these back to life and give it to the bro to say, here you go, guys, here you go, bro. Basically, you can go and rock these. But let's take a look at this, because today we're going to look at how to clean a pair of Air Force Ones or any other sneakers and what you need to do. But before we do that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And also, please do actually check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks Hater. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, please do make sure you hit your goals, you hit your targets, you're on target for all your goals for this year, and you keep progressing everything in your life, because you deserve, and I want you to win, we all want you to win, and basically you deserve to have everything that you need in your life. But today we're going to look at how we clean these pairs, and first of all we are going to look at how we go about doing that. So guys, first of all, what we're going to do is unlace it, basically actually unlace it, take it basically down to the roots, and then actually scrub it down, get all the excess loose dirt off, and then use a cleaning product or a cleaning agent to get this all clean and sparkling clean. We're talking about inside, outside, tongue, everything, and I'm going to go and do the laces as well. So I'm going to show you guys what the steps are to undertake this.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping, I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Deaf to all the fakers, I'm just keeping it player. Out for vengeance like Vader, I'ma stay on the radar. Young in spirit, old soul, that's my gift from the maker. Walk the earth and sprinkle nourishment, something you can savor. You'll be thanking me later, humble beast in the cut. I've been thinking too much, let me open the cupboard. Eat it up, don't be stubborn, let me add a little mustard. Ain't that good to your belly, I hate to see you suffer. And it's gonna make you tougher, and it's pure, ain't no buffer. Ain't no hoe you can couple. 100% thoroughbred, far from my last leg. Strong in the muscle, you ain't gon' wanna tussle. Undefeated in scuffles. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the deafin'. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth.
As you can see, guys, I've actually went in and double scrubbed that sneaker. I've actually used 2 brushes on that. I've used a soft bristle brush on the uppers, and I've actually used a medium bristle brush on the outsole and the midsole to give it that shine. I've used Rejuvenate cleaning solution to do that, because basically I feel like it's a good solution to use on sneakers to actually wipe them, like clean them up. I've dipped the laces in there, and I've actually gone in and actually cleaned the laces a bit more with a toothbrush to get in. I use Vanish, like Vanish whitening, because it kind of gives a better effect on the actual sneakers to get it cleaner. And as you can see, guys, the laces themselves are super clean. There are still black smudges on it because you can't really, it's really hard to get grease out of actual laces or grease out of cloth, but this is the best he's gonna get it. But I've actually given him some spare laces to put on the sneaker so that he can use the laces and use it as backups if he wants to. But the laces are actually clean. Now what I'm about to show you is how to decrease a sneaker.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle.
So the decreasing method is quite simple. If you've seen what I've done, I've actually stuffed the sneaker with a wet cloth inside to make sure it gets the shape right. And I've actually used a damp cloth on the uppers and used an iron to iron the actual creases out. And what it does is basically reshapes the sneaker, makes the actual leather more supple to actually reshape it. And then what you do is leave it there for a couple of minutes or even an hour or so to let the sneaker's leather just take the shape and literally leave it in that actual form. But what I've actually done also after that is taken the damp cloths away, let it dry, and actually stuffed in tissue paper to keep the form. And I'm going to advise the bro to actually wear like crease protectors with these extra sneakers if he doesn't want the actual creases to come back. But that's what you do, or that's the methodology you use to actually get creases out your sneakers. Now I'm about to go in with something special which I haven't shown you guys, but I'm about to talk about it once the sneaker's done.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's a
And as you can see, guys, I've now cleaned the sneaker. I've put some life back into this sneaker, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, all sparkling clean, white new laces, tissue paper in to keep the form, and you're still gonna get, it's got no creases on it, or it's got little creases on it, but it's not got a lot of creases like it did before. But you're still gonna get those kind of indent lines where the toes is, because that's where it creased, that's where it naturally creases. I'm gonna tell the bro to actually wear crease protectors to actually get the sneaker to actually retain that form, otherwise it's just gonna go back down once he wears it. And it's important to realize that even though you iron out creases, they're always going to come back, so it's important to protect them by wearing a crease protector that actually allows you to keep the form. That's what I'm going to recommend to him, and if he doesn't want to do it, that's up to him. But I've cleaned the sneaker. I've actually used a product on this which is, I would say it's a bit of a cheat code, because it's like a shoe polish. It literally is a white shoe polish for sneakers, and it's called a Max White Premium Shoe Care by Crease Protect. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like, and that's how it literally comes. It's got a white sponge at the top. I'm probably going to do a review on this later to basically give you a breakdown, but it gives a better clean and a shine. And what the product recommends is that you clean it thoroughly and then get all the dirt out and then apply the application, because it gives you that shine. It gives you that almost brand new effect to the sneaker. Otherwise the laces will still look, or the lining will still look dark and black, and it doesn't, because it looks absolutely pristine and clean. And the product did really well. The product, from what it was in terms of once I cleaned it, which was still sparkling, still would have given the bro the actual sneaker as it was. But once you apply this Max White, and it's literally a shoe polish, like for what you do for work shoes or black shoes, you polish them, it gives a nice effect. It gives it an overall effect, and it gives it such a good look to the sneaker. As you can see, it just brings so much life to this. I'm going to see how it wears out, because I'm going to tell the bro to wear it as much as possible and see how it wears out. But this is absolutely clean, absolutely beautiful. So I would recommend it. If you got all white sneakers, I would definitely recommend you go and buy this product and actually put it on and try it and basically run with it, because it will bring back life. It brings back that brightness that you want in the sneaker, and that's fine. That's fine. You are going to kind of use it, and you are going to use it to actually apply it to sneakers to make it live longer for yourself. Also, on the back heel, I noticed it was actually inner lining that was actually frayed or actually broken or actually damaged. So what I've done is actually put this white patch. These are white patch repairs for inner lining tears, and it allows you to kind of not rub that inner lining or not make that inner lining worse. And these patches, you get little packs of these patches. I think it's got this from Amazon, and it literally is like a 8 pairs of white sole hole patch repairs. So it literally is just like a white unit. I'm gonna take this out and show you guys. It's like a white unit, and there's different variations. You get different sizes in it, which is absolutely fabulous. You've got like these, and this actually goes on the outer heel. And if you've got inner lining tear, you can use these, and it kind of allows you to kind of not have that seam or that tear extend, and it just keeps that tear in check, and it just looks like a peel back and stick on. And this literally is great when you actually want to repair any patches. I wish there were fabric patches like this, but this is the only one, and it does feel like it's some leather to this as well, which is great. It's like a false leather patch which kind of goes in the inner lining, and it just does well. You're never going to see it because you're going to wear it, and it just leaves the actual material to hold where it is and not actually deteriorate, because otherwise over time it's just going to rip, and it's literally going to extend that rip. So this kind of allows you to keep that rip in check. But yeah, that's the sneaker, guys. That's what it looks like, and obviously it's clean. Now I'm gonna go and give this to the bro and actually let him rock this and just be happy, just absolutely be happy. Obviously the outsole is clean. There's still little, you can see from the outsole he's worn this a lot because there's stars missing, there's wear and tear on the outsole. So I would recommend him getting another pair, but I've given him life. I've given him another couple of years to wear this sneaker, and then when he wants to get a new pair he can, but this he loves a lot. And obviously guys, the bro wanted me to clean him because he loves the sneaker so much. He's basically saying he wants me to clean it. It was sitting on the toolbox with grease and dirt all mounted on it, and I basically brought life to his sneakers. So I hope he keeps it clean. I hope he keeps it in check, and I hope he doesn't leave it on the top of the toolbox to rot, because he left that for a couple of years, and that was why it was in a bad state. But guys, if you need any information, if you need help, if you need guidance, just drop me a message on Instagram, on YouTube, and I'll probably have to help you guys. But sometimes you want to make sure your sneaker's clean, your sneaker's fresh, and your sneaker looks absolutely dope. It doesn't need to look this bad, guys, but there's some tips in there that will help you maintain your sneakers, that will help you actually bring back life to some of the pairs that you might have. Like I said, guys, reach out and we can have that conversation. But from me, TJ, I love Kick Customs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back, and thank you for always showing love and support, guys. But for me, TJ, I love Kick Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Kick Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.